Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about simple cubic structure. For a simple cubic structure, we know that the atom per unit cell is 1. So we have 1 atom per unit cell. Let's see the reason behind it. So first let's draw the diagram simply. Like we have 1/8 part of the atoms in each side. Like this is each of this part represents 1/8 of the atom. Okay, each side of this. So let's draw that one. Here we have one and another one right here, and another one right here. In the bottom we have one like this, and behind we have one. Okay, so here you can see we have 8 sides. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Each of them is 1/8. 1/8 times 8, that's gonna give us 1. That's how we got 1 atom per unit cell. And the coordination number for a simple cubic structure is equal to 6. The reason behind that one is, if we pick one atom, we have one atom in the y-axis. Like if you pick one atom, it has one atom around it in the y-axis and one in the x-axis. Let's say this is y, this is x. We have one in the x-axis and we have one in the z-axis. So around it we have 6 atoms like this. Okay, that's why the coordination number for a simple cubic structure is equal to 6. So C is equal to 6. And also if we look at the volume, but before we go for that, let's look at the radius. For a simple cubic structure, each of these cell contains r radius. Each of these atom r radius. So this is r, this is r. So if we pick up this, if we say this total distance is x, then x is equal to 2r. Okay, x is equal to 2r. Therefore, if we look at the volume for a cube, we know that length times width times height. Since all the sides are equal for a cube, we can, if we say x, then x times x times x, we will have x cube, right? So this is going to be the volume. And if we look at the volume ratio for a simple cubic structure, we know that 52% of the volume is occupied by the atoms. Now let's prove this one mathematically. So to find the volume ratio, we can create this equation like V atoms over V cube. And we know that atoms are spherical shape. So the equation for the spherical shape, and we know that 1 atom per unit cell. So 1 times spherical shape is going to be 4/3 phi r cube divided by volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is x cube, and we know that x is equal to 2r. So if we replace x with 2r, this is going to be 2r cube, and 2 cube is equal to 8r cube. So we are going to have 4/3 phi r cube divided by 1/8 r cube. So here you can see r cube cancels, and we are dividing 4/3 phi by 8. Like we can say 4 phi over 8 times 3, that's going to be 24. So 24, and if you calculate this value, you are going to get 0.5236. In other words, we can say 52.36% is occupied by the atoms. That's how we got, like we roughly say 52% of the volume of the simple cubic structure is occupied by the atoms. And those are the basic things about simple cubic structure. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.